Let's talk about Mykal Sticky Stuff Remover 250 milliliters. Sticky Stuff Remover's unique formulation is designed to tackle icky sticky messes on most surfaces. Tackles stains such as chewing gum, sticky labels, grease, tar, glue, wax, wet paint, crayon and much more. Can be used on most surfaces including glass, plastic, fabrics, metal, worktops and many more. I needed this for a rather sticky job. About 16 years ago I had put some privacy film on my back windows and decided I wanted a change. So there had been 16 years for the self-adhesive to coagulate on my windows. I bought a soft scraper as well to do the job. I laboriously got the film off my window and went about tackling the thick adhesive tackiness left on the glass. Although this recommends you apply with a cloth, that is fine for smaller areas. I used some old rags to protect anything I didn't want to get the liquid on, and then I generously applied this to the window and left for 510 minutes. When I scraped it off, it did a fair job of getting the muck off, but a second application was needed, which I applied to a sponge with a scourer to remove the remainder. With a bit of elbow grease and determination, my windows were clean. I bought this is remove Velcro adhesive from a blackout blind on a up window, and it does the job just fine without doing any damage that I can see. I brushed it on, left it for 10 minutes, and scrapped it off using a mini plastic razor also available from Amazon. The residue becomes gelatinous and scrapes off easily. Several applications were necessary as the adhesive was quite deep, but hey, that's to be expected. I only bought this because of the great reviews. The problem I am faced with is the bed on my 3D printer had a pad stuck to it with 3M double-sided adhesive. When I took the pad off, some of the adhesive stayed on the bed. I tried following the instructions, by applying to a cloth then rubbing on area. This didn't work. I then tried applying it straight to the area and spreading it with a credit card so I didn't soak any of it away. I left it longer than the 57 minutes advised. Still nothing. I've managed to find a way to get rid of the adhesive without this stuff. Heat the bed up so the adhesive becomes tacky, then scrape off. So for this purpose, this stuff doesn't work. One plus point is that it doesn't smell too much though.